In this video, we will create a send-to-email workflow that captures at an MFP or printer and sends a PDF of the document by email. Let's dive in. We begin in the Printix administrator. We go to the menu and select Settings. From the Settings page, we choose the Capture Workflows tab. We see a list of existing workflows. From here, you can manage, edit, and create workflows. We are creating a new one, so I'll click Create Workflow. Here you see the Workflow Properties page, with settings grouped in sections. Let's start with the Settings section. I will name this workflow Send to Email. We will keep Active unchecked until the workflow is ready for users. You can make the workflow available to all users or control workflow availability using groups. Over to the Source section, we can choose to capture from a printer or mobile device. With printer selected, we have scan settings available for orientation, paper size, color, resolution, and two-sided. If I select mobile, those settings are not available, because they are set on the mobile device at the time of capture. I will select printer and keep the default settings. In the destination section, we will keep the destination profile type as email. The default settings for address and file name use Printix variables. The to address will be the username who is logged into the MFP. You can add the variables in the gray area by clicking and pasting. The file name is a combination of the workflow name and the date. You can use static email addresses and text for these fields also. Let's add a message for the user in the subject. On to the File Type section. You choose the output file format for the workflow, PDF or Word document. There are options for the image quality, PDF version compatibility, and you can specify which languages to look for in the documents. This will optimize Printix OCR performance. Selecting Word format gives you options for image quality and languages. Image processing will enhance the images and improve the OCR process. Select these based on the types of documents and scanning methods. For example, a double-sided scanner can produce a lot of blank pages, so I will select Delete Blank Pages. Let's select Deskew also. Now the workflow is fully configured, so I can select Create, and our new workflow appears in the list. Here is the name, the file name configuration, the status is active, no groups assigned, the source, destination type, and output file type. Once the workflow is tested and ready for users, we will make it active. Let's go over to an MFP and log in with the ID code and PIN of a Printix user. The Send to Email workflow that we created is available. When we select it, we see the details from the workflow properties, including the email address of the Printix user. Select Start to scan the document, and the number under the capture icon tells us it is done. When I open the user's email, we see an email has arrived with a message, and the document is attached. We can check Active to make the workflow available to users. Thank you for watching.